What's up, guys? And today, my best friend Tucker here is going to be making us a bunch of super cool paper airplanes.
To start off with one, this one is pretty easy. So you start with a plain piece of paper, you fold it like this, and then you fold it another time. You tap it on the foil well, and then you fold it like this, and then you fold it again. And then after that,
Hold on a minute. Is that supposed to be crooked like that?
yeah, it can. And then you just fold it again, and then you get your very own paper airplane. Like this. Yeah, it looks a bit weird, but it's still paper airplane with this. There you go, that's one.
Hold on. Are you supposed to like bend this down and stuff?
No, you don't have to. No, you don't have to.
Hold on. Let's see how far it can fly.
It's not the best one, but it's okay.
Are you gonna buy that?
It's not the best one, but that's not the best one I can make. I can make it way better. This one is the easiest one ever.
Okay, have a nice day. Pictures you're
just
not
do
supposed to see. Here's what an owl looks like without any feathers. This is what tiger skin looks like. Here's a human heart without any blood. This is what the bottom of a fire hydrant looks
do
like.
that.
Here's the inside of a turtle's mouth. Here's the inside of a bowling ball. And here's the inside of a dice. So are you
And then you could just do, then you do this, and then do this, and this is a bit weird. Yeah, I know. It looks like this is the weirdest paper airplane ever.
Okay, let's see how good this one flies.
It doesn't stay the best together, but it can work.
Okay. That is a terrible idea.
Yes. I'll try to make my best paper airplane if I can again. I might mess up. And then you
Try to
just
make
fold
it
like
the
this.
best you
They
can.
destroyed 54 houses in the area. They hid during the day and destroyed everything around them at night. Photos you'll have to look at twice. At first, it
Then
looks like
you
a girl
fold it
making a
like
weird face, but she's actually sleeping, and that's just a magazine. This lady giving a speech looks like she's floating on a magic carpet, but the shadow is just from a flag. It looks like this
Then
boy
fold
playing
it like
soccer has a
this.
ponytail, but it's actually the hair from someone behind him. It looks like this dog is cut in half, but it's actually just laying beside a log.
Can I
It
please
looks like
have
this
some
girl's kissing a
scissors?
boy with a big head, but the person she's kissing is actually behind
Can I
him.
please have some scissors? Okay, thank you.
Survive a tsunami. If you want a chance of surviving, you'll need to be able to identify the early signs of a tsunami. In most cases, an earthquake happens before a tsunami. So protect yourself from that first, then get to high ground as quickly as possible.
This is to me like a carrier airplane. Let's see how far it can
Don't go
go.
investigate because you'll be putting your lane at risk when the water comes back.
That one's
Okay, let me show you how to do my famous one.
I can't make my best paper airplane right now. I messed up.
Well, anyway, my famous airplane is like this.
Yours is stuck.
And hold on to it. When you think it's over, it
Okay, once you do that, you want to do this and bring it just a little bit in this corner. Then you do the exact same thing on the other side. Almost like it's a thing like that. Okay, once you do that, you want
Oh,
to
I see what you're doing.
you want to do
I
this.
like to build those type of paper airplanes.
You've never built this type because I'm making it up.
No, I built one like that.
Yes, but this one's gonna be better. Do you know why? Because of this, it's gonna be like this.
My best paper airplane that I ever made flew like 20 meters.
That is a lie.
Or like 15 or 10.
A meter is as big as you.
No. A meter is only 3 feet. I'm taller than you.
Bruh, that's a yard. That's a yard.
Oh, yeah.
That's a freaking yard. Then you fold this little corner so it matches up, but if it doesn't match up. Okay? Once you do that, you want to do this. You want to, actually, I'm not done. I'm doing this. doing it like this,
It has two buttons on the back in case my shirt
and
doesn't
then you do it to the other side, but I'm still not finished.
I'm just hiding.
You know why?
This is the creepiest McDonald's in the world. In 1986, this McDonald's opened for the World Expo in Canada.
Okay, once you do that, you can do this, and you can even do this. You cut out shapes in it, and guess what? It does to the wings.
Because it was a must-see tourist attraction. At the end of the expo, it was closed and abandoned for years. Now it looks like this. This is the worst form of torture. White room torture is when a prisoner is locked in a soundproof room that's completely white. The walls are white, their clothes are white, and all they can eat is white rice on a white plate. If they have to go to the bathroom, they slip a white piece of paper under the door. Then a guard with padded shoes opens another door with a white bathroom. After months or even years in the room, the prisoner would start to have hallucinations. They then start to forget everything, including who they are and what their parents look like. The dumbest things pulled by billionaires.
You can cut anything into it. So this is a custom airplane.
He got a craftsman to make him a custom iPhone 5 with a diamond head on the home.
Once you do that, you can do this, and boom, you've got your free own custom paper airplane. It doesn't fly the best, but trust me, it looks cool.
It's cool.
But, and watch this. I might need to try this one more time. Yeah, those things do not fly well. None of these
I can make a
fly
way
super
better
well,
paper
but
airplane.
you can flex on your friends with them. Goodbye.